Dear children, today's topic for discussion is India, size and location. In geography, location is very much important because it will determine almost all geographical phenomena experienced in that particular place. The best example is, as India is located in subtropical region, we are experiencing monsoon type of climatic condition. Or being located in this particular latitudinal region, we are not experiencing any extreme cold climatic condition other than the Himalayas, where the cold condition is experienced because of the high altitude. So, understanding the location is very much important for understanding other geographical aspects. So, let us discuss what is the location of India. Generally, when we locate a particular place, we will be using two methods. One is through statement, another one is by using graticule values. Graticule values means latitudinal and longitudinal values. The first method is layman's method. Common people will be using it. As you know that whenever you are visiting a place, if you do not know the location, when you ask, people will be referring with the neighboring places or exact political boundaries, etc. Generally, we will tend to locate a particular place from a larger spatial extent to the smaller one, from a larger spatial extent to smaller one. So, let us try to locate India. Let us try to locate India. First of all, India is located in northern hemisphere as well as in the eastern hemisphere. North from equator, east from prime meridian or 0° longitude. So, in general, we can say that India is located in the northeastern hemisphere. India is entirely located in the northeastern hemisphere. The second thing is, in which continent? India is located in the southern part of Asia, in the headwaters of Indian Ocean. If you see the extension of Asia, we can see in the southern part of Asia, the India is located having a boundary with Indian Ocean. So, the second statement will be India is located in the southern part of Asia. Next reference will be who are all the neighbors or countries sharing common boundary with India, or what is surrounding India. India is surrounded by Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea. So, we can sum it up the location of India through statement as India is located in the northeastern hemisphere and in the southern part of Asia, and it is surrounded by Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea. The second method through which we can refer a place is by using graticule values. Graticule values represents the combination of latitudes and longitudes. And India, as we already discussed, is entirely in the northern hemisphere and in the eastern hemisphere. So, the latitudinal extension of India is from 8° 4 minutes north to 37° 6 minutes north. Why the north is repeating? Why the southernmost latitude is not represented with south is because the N represent hemisphere. As the entire India is located in the northern hemisphere, the N is repeating or the northern hemisphere is repeating. 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north. Next is longitudinal extension. In this also the entire area of India is located in the eastern hemisphere, and the extension of India in terms of longitude is 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. If you see the longitudinal and latitudinal difference, you can see that it is almost 30 degrees of latitudinal difference and 30 degrees of longitudinal difference. Its extension is almost same. Let us now discuss the second part of the topic, size of India. India is the 7th largest country in the world after Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia. India has a total area of 3.28 million square kilometer under its territory, which comes around 2.4% of the total world landform. India has a land boundary of 15,200 kilometer, which is shared with our neighbors, and has a coastline of 7,516.6 kilometer, which includes both the mainland coastline as well as the island coastline. Together forms this 7,516.6 kilometers. Now let us discuss the other aspects of the size of India. India has a total length of 3,214 kilometers from extreme north to extreme south, and has a width of 2,933 kilometers from extreme west to extreme east. This is the size of India. Now let us sum up the topic what we discussed today. First, we discussed about the location of India. The location expressed in two ways. One is through statement, another one is through gratical values. The first one is through statement, and we discussed that India is located in the northeastern hemisphere and in the southern part of Asia, and India is surrounded by Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea. The second way by which we can express the location of our country is through gratical values, that is latitudinal and longitudinal values. The latitudinal extension of India is 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north, and the longitudinal extension of India is 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. In the second part, we discussed about the size of India. India is the 7th largest country, having an area of 3.28 million square kilometer, and it is the 2.4% of the total world area. India has a land boundary of 15,200 kilometer and a coastline of 7,516.6 kilometers, and its north-south extension is 3,214 kilometer and east-west extension is 2,933 kilometers. These are the facts regarding the size of India. And then we discussed about the neighbors of India. We have 9 neighbors. Out of 9, 7 of them are having land boundary with India. Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh are the neighbors who are sharing land boundary with India, and these 7 countries plus Sri Lanka and Maldives makes 9 neighboring countries.